Hey, what's up guys, Zaman here. In this video I am going to show you how to set fake GPS location on your phone. GPS is one of the greatest technology. It values a lot when it comes to navigation, traveling and more. However, things changed when some new and popular geolocation based dating apps and games come up like Pokemon, Snapchat and Instagram. Or you just want to fake your location to play games, browse the internet from another country. So with Dr.Fone virtual location, you can easily mock your location anywhere in the world. It can let you unlock several location based features of gaming, dating and several other apps. Install and launch the Dr.Fone virtual location app on your PC. Click on virtual location and connect your iPhone to the computer. Then click on Get Started. You will see that Dr.Fone Virtual Locations opens its interface. Now you will find your current geolocation in the map. At the top right, here are 5 icons: Teleport Mode, Jump Teleport Mode, One Stop Route, Multi-Stop Route and Joystick. Let's first activate the teleport mode by clicking the icon. Once you have done that, you can type the location. This will load the respective location you wish to teleport. Choose the location. It will load on the interface. The system now understands your desired place is Paris. Click Move here in the pop-up box. The location is fixed to Paris, France, and the location in your location-based app is of course the same place. With this location faker, you can teleport GPS location to anywhere with just a click, allowing you to travel the world without leaving home. It can fulfill both your traveling and gaming demand. Next we have Jump Teleport Mode. With this you can jump location quickly, create a custom route, and click on Start Moving. This program also allows you to simulate movement along a route you specified between two spots. Go to the one-stop route by selecting the icon. Select a spot. That is the place you want to go on the map. The pop-up box now appears to tell you how far it is. Drag the slider in the lower part to set how fast you want to walk, walking speed, cycling speed, or driving speed. At last, click Move here to start simulating the movement. Now you can see your position is moving on the map with the speed of driving. If you want to pass by multiple places along a route on the map, then you can try the multi-spot route. Select the multi-spot mode in the upper right. Then you can select all the spots you want to pass one by one. And now the pop-up box shows how far you will travel on the map. Set the moving speed in the lower middle and click Move here. After that, your location will be moving along the route you specified in a wanted speed. This app sets up virtual GPS location so every other location based app on your phone believes you are actually there. At the last we have joystick movement. You can use the virtual joystick to control the GPS movement. You can control the GPS movement more flexibly. At the right side, we have different icons like roadmap, favorite, import, historical record, reset location and zoom in and out. So Dr.Fone virtual location is available on a subscription based model and has three types of subscription: monthly, quarterly and annually. The monthly plan costs you $9.95 a month. The quarterly plan costs you $6.66 per month and the annual plan costs you $4.99 per month. All three plans allows you to use Dr.Fone virtual location for up to 5 devices and 1 PC. And it's available for both Windows and Mac. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.